Hi friends, this video shows how to turn on or off safe mode. Go to settings, select the settings icon, go to system. First I will show you how to turn on safe mode. Under system, select restart, then press and hold OK button on the remote. Now we can see reboot to safe mode. Select it, TV will restart and go to safe mode. So this way we can turn on safe mode. Next I will show you two methods to exit from safe mode. Method 1. Again go to settings, go to system, then select this restart and restart the TV. That way we can exit from safe mode. Method 2. Just turn off and on the TV or unplug the power cable, then plug again, then start the TV. That way we can exit from safe mode. These are the two methods. So this way we can turn on or off safe mode. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe my channel. Please like and share the video.